right there. There might be a tornado right there. Might be one right there. You hear that?
I hear it.
I think that's it.
It's either a thunderstorm or a tornado.
Listen to that roar.
I don't see a
It's right over here. Sorry, I'll get out your way. It's going to come right in front of us here.